Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Surya Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss class 8 general knowledge part 19. So let's start this video. Graphical extremes of India. Some of the Indian states are known for their geographical extremes. Match the states with fact. States and geographical facts. Question number first, Kashmir. Kashmir is geographical fact. You match H. Highest mountain peak, Nanga Parvat. Kashmir, highest mountain peak, Nanga Parvat. Question second, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, you match D. Largest freshwater lake. Andhra Pradesh, largest freshwater lake called Koleru. Question number 3, Meghalaya. Meghalaya C, wetted place. Meghalaya, wetted place, because here more rain, means Mansiram place in Meghalaya. Question number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, you match I, most populous state. Most populous state in India, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 5, Odisha. Odisha, largest salt water lake. Odisha, largest salt water lake means Chilka. Question number 6, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the, you match option J, largest state. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. 7, Goa. Goa, you match F, smallest state in India. Goa is the smallest state in India. Question number 8, Sikkim. Sikkim, question number 8 match E, least populous state. Least populous state in India. Question number 9, Maharashtra. Maharashtra, you match B, most populous city, Mumbai. Maharashtra, most populous city, Mumbai. Question number 10, Karnataka. You match option A. Karnataka, highest waterfall, Jog Fall in India. Highest waterfall is called Jog Fall, Karnataka. Question number 11, Jharkhand. Match option I, L, Jharkhand. Coal mine, Jharia. Coal mine, Jharia. Question number 12, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Anand. Match textile and Amul dairy. Gujarat, Ahmedabad and Anand, textile and Amul dairy. Means here the states is geographical fact. In your examination asked state name, given geographical fact and asked state name like this. Least populous state in India. Least populous state in India, Sikkim, like this. Smallest state in India, Goa. Most populous state in India, Uttar Pradesh. Largest state in India, Rajasthan. Highest waterfall, Jog Fall, situated in which state? Karnataka. Wetted place in India, Meghalaya. Like this question asked in your examination is given geographical facts and asks the state name in the form of question answer. Knowledge bank fourth. First, the LED umbrella. This umbrella comes equipped with a built-in LED light which illuminates in the dark. At the touch of a button, light which is embedded in the handle starts shining and you will be able to see under the umbrella hood. Means in this umbrella have LED bulb and button of light which is embedded in the handle start. When you are start in a dark handle, umbrella open, then light is also on. Next one, the flying wind turbine. A San Diego company Sky Wind Power has invented flying wind turbines to capture high altitude wind energy. High altitude wind energy. The company estimate that just 1% of energy from the jet stream could satisfy the energy demand of the entire planet. Means this is the flying wind turbine. IntelliCool. IntelliCool is said to be the first ever outside air conditioning unit that uses a special water evaporation technology. The fans attached to it cool the air in the nearby surroundings. It also provides light from cloudy or foggy day. Means this is IntelliCool means it's a first outside air conditioning unit. Special water evaporation technology used and fan attached to cool the air in nearby surrounding. It also provides the light for cloudy or foggy day. Like this. Question number 4. Smart shoppers automated grocery list printed. It is a device that voice activated. When you talk into the handset, it compiles a textual list ready for print. This list can be attached to your fridge with a magnet. The list is stored by types of items that one would need to buy. Ink refill are not required in this machine. Means when you speak grocery items, after that you click, then print out form, just like electricity bill. Enter the information, then print the electricity bill. Next, ever wonder why? Fourth, solar panel are attached to rooftops. Answer: sun is a vast source of energy. Only is a very small portion of heat of the entire earth. If solar energy is harnessed, it would fulfill the world's entire fossil needs for power. Solar panels are way to harness this energy of the sun. Solar panel attached to top roofs absorb the sun's energy directly, which is later used to heat the water supply of the house. The sun's ray heat water in a pipe system within the solar panel. Cold water that flow through the panel gets heated up and it collect the in store for future use. Means now solar panel set on roof and sunlight observe and change into energy and store in battery, and this energy is used further, and mostly people use this energy to for water supply. So this is the very most important method to store energy through sun, because sun is the vast source of energy. Only few very small portion of the lights hits of the entire earth. Why are optical fibers so useful? An optical fiber is made up of fine glass strands. Pulses of light can travel through these strands much faster than the electricity. Optical cables are used to carry communications for very long distance without any interference of electricity. The tiny glass fibers packed into the huge bundle are capable of carrying thousands of messages at the same times, and light can travel through them easily. On telephone, our voice is turned into laser light signal and sent down optical fiber. Optical fiber is also used for ornate lighting. Means optical fiber used to communication, and when we are communicate, there are no any type of interference appear in optical fiber. So when we are transfer any data, same data reach on destination. So now present time optical fiber so useful. Hopefully all students understand all content of this video. Every students write on your copy and learn them. If you face any problem, contact my personal number or WhatsApp. Thank you.